Alright, so I got this. It was off Amazon, $40 something. It feels cheap, but it will do what it's supposed to do. Radiator guard, and it says MT09, which I didn't really want to say shit, but it does. I'll be installing that. I'm pretty sure it's just take these off completely, and then there's 2 bolts on the side of the radiator that it goes in between, and then that's just it for that install, so that'll be quick. Got a new jacket, a textile icon jacket with armor, shoulders, elbows, and back, but black icon, black flowable, nothing on the back. And and then I got a windscreen in, which we're gonna open and install right now. Which I know I'm walking around like an idiot with my helmet on, but I don't know what happened to my head mount strap. That's what happens when you go like 5 years without touching any of your shit. Actually, let me get a... Yes, my garage is a fucking mess, I know. But I have a garage, so it is what it is. This is all fancy, but for $150 it better be wrapped nice. It's not the one I wanted, but they had it in stock, and these things have been going out of stock before you can buy them. So I just purchased one that is close to what I wanted, but not exactly what I wanted. It's black, you can't see through it. I wanted the carbon one. Not a fan of that. Looks fucking shitty. But, bunch of shit I'm not gonna read. It's fancy, but this black right here looks shitty. They should have did the whole thing in the gloss black. Okay, so you're gonna need a 3, a 4, and a 5 Allen. But these pop off with your fingernail. It kinda hurts, but whatever. These are 3 to back those out, which I got 3 out of the 4 already out. I'm just doing this, make it pull those out. And then set this aside. And then you need the boots. The 4 bolts, these, those are gonna go together. Then you need the 5. Take these ones out. Okay, so these, I'm gonna put the washers back on, just because it should help lock it in place. So that's the 5. Then the bolts they gave you are the 4s. And your brackets. I wonder if it's left on the bike or left. Is it left on? It's got to be left on the bike, not left off. Putting the washers underneath, just because that's where they were originally. just to raise it up just a little bit, like a shim. I'm gonna go get a rag and some cleaner and clean all this up before I install the actual windscreen though, just because it is somewhat filthy. Just got back from picking all this shit up and then the dentist, so okay, now you need the little bolts and the 3s and the 3 and the windscreen, and should just be easy as place it up there, get the bolt holes lined up, thread the bolts in. Got that threaded in. I'm gonna leave them all loose so I can get all the rest of them in place. That is like way off. I don't know if that's gonna take, if it's gonna thread in place. Those bottom ones are a pain in the ass, apparently. Like, I don't know the angle. Like, I might have to bend the bracket, maybe? Oh, that one went in easy. I think I gotta bend the bracket. Huh, that sucks. So, the bracket's a little bent, which I don't know how, but it is. Actually, let's get the needle nose, so I'm not scratching shit. Oh. So, it's like, it's big bent. Like, I just bent that a lot. All it took. So, slight adjustments. I'm really not a fan of this dark black, whatever the fuck that is. And pretty much just tighten everything down. And then, I'll install the caps. I go over these to keep these screws from getting shit in them. And to give it a little better of a look. Maybe a cleaner will make it look better. Some detailer. Okay, that made it look a little better, but Kinda looks dope. Looks really good. Alright, that flat black on the edge actually goes good with the bike. Being flat black. I wanted the carbon one though. Carbon one looks sweet. And I got a new helmet, so it would have matched the helmet. Air Pro, what are they? Whatever the fuck they're called. Airform Pro or something. Can't remember. Airframe Pro Carbon. Which is uncomfortable. Hopefully when it breaks in, it'll be a little more comfortable. But right now it like pushes on the back corner of my head, which I have an odd shaped head, so understandable. But windscreen installed. I'm gonna do the radiator thing. I have a fucking back rack and a pod coming, which is gonna be ugly as fuck, but I'm going to Ocean City, Maryland for OC Bike Week. So I'm gonna need storage because I can't fit everything in my backpack. And everyone I'm riding with has like fucking Harleys or Indians. So I'm gonna be the only sport bike in the group.